Earn free PayPal money by just watching videos online with these brand new websites which are absolutely free to join and worldwide available. In order to get the desired results, make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial. But before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on if you want to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies on how to make money online, just like these ones on the screen. If you love this type of content, you can also give this video a thumbs up to support me and share it with your friends too, and also leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question about this strategy. Without any further ado, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to share with you multiple sources so you can just find the one that you like the most, or you can even combine all of them in order to make the most money. So the very first money making source is this one here called Fusion Cash. This is over at fusioncash.net. As you can see, they offer you a $5 sign up bonus once you're going to sign up for absolutely free, which is a nice addition. And then they also offer you different ways to get paid online, just like by watching videos, which is our main focus today, by completing some easy tasks, by just downloading some mobile apps, by even playing some games and referring new members to this platform through the referral program, so you can get paid in passive income. So this was the first platform that I wanted to share with you. I want to proceed to the second one, which is called Appnana. This is over at appnana.com. Of course, this is an app, but I'm here at their official website to just show you some features. As you can see, their members have earned more than $10 million in games, so by playing games, but by also doing some other things as well in gift cards credits. What you can do is to just get it for your Android device or iOS device. If you are an iOS device user, you can just go over to your Safari browser on your iPhone, iPad or iPad Touch and visit appnana.com. If you are an Android user, just go over here to this button, click on it. It's going to take you over directly to Google Play Store, where you can see that it's called Appnana gift cards. You're going to notice that they got more than 10 million of downloads and 4.1 stars out of more than 500,000 of reviews, which shows that this is a very loved and popular app. You're going to earn free gift cards rewards, as you can see, even PayPal money, just like this example here. You can just try free apps, you can watch videos, which is our main focus today. You're going to just open up some videos, you can just leave them play in the background, you can even leave them on mute. You can also lower the quality of the videos so you can just not use a lot of your mobile data. And you can even see that you can invite friends, of course, you can go through the referral program, you can even play games, which we saw even before. So back to their official website, you can see by scrolling down that you're going to earn some awesome rewards. These rewards includes Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards, Google Play and Xbox gift cards, and so on. We even saw PayPal as a payment method. So this was the second app that I wanted to show you. I'm going to proceed to the third one, which is called You-Cubez. This is over at you-cubez.com. You can see that they got more than 900,000 of members, so almost 1 million of members. And also this platform has been around since 2007, so they have been around for 15 years now, which shows how legit it is, because you know that scam websites disappeared after a short period of time. You're going to earn cash online by just viewing some websites, completing surveys and watching videos. They have sent more than 20,000 of payments. You can earn extra cash by even referring friends to this platform. You can refer new members and earn up to 50% of commission from your referrals and their referrals as well. Just get paid to view websites, explore the internet by watching videos provided by the offer walls, complete online surveys and tasks, and also you can get paid through different payment methods, including PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum and more. And then just create an account for absolutely free to get started. Just click on the sign up now button here. In the next page, put your email address, confirm the email, put a password, confirm the password, your full name, username, your gender, date of birth, your country, and you're going to notice that this is available all around the world. How did you hear about them? You can leave it empty, or you can say YouTube, then complete the CAPTCHA, agree to their privacy policy and terms and conditions, and click on the register button, and you're ready to start. With that said, I'm going to proceed to another platform for today, which is called Buxinside. This is over at Buxinside.com, and this platform pays you every 10 seconds. By just browsing their advertisers' websites, you can just view the ads that they display, and you can get effortless income. You can cash out instantly once you reach like $2 in your account. I want you to go over down here in the payment section so you can see people getting paid from anywhere in the world through their preferred payment method, including Payeer, RTM, PayPal, Perfect Money, and so on. And they are from Israel, Bosnia, also India, America, Hungary, Canada, and so on. And they've made a lot of money actually. This person here has made more than $3,000 and so on. This is just one page out of more than 250 entries. So you can just click on the register button in the upper right corner to create your account, and you need to put the username, your login email, confirm the email, and then you can leave the referral box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone. Then you need to choose the currency that you want to get paid in. The payment method including PayPal, Perfect Money, RTM, Payeer, and cryptocurrency through Coinbase. Then your birth year, and you're going to notice that you can be at least 16 years old in order to join this platform. Then you need to just complete this CAPTCHA, agree to the terms of service, and click on the register button. Then you're going to just receive an email from them in order to verify your email address. So this was another platform that I wanted to show you where you can get paid by just watching some videos. I'm going to proceed to the last one for today, which is called Irazoo. This is over at Irazoo.com. You can earn free gift cards and cash with this platform. They've paid to their members more than $168 million in cash. And you can see that brands pay them for consumer input, so they recruit members just like you. And whenever you do activities here on Irazoo, you're going to earn free gift cards and cash. Then you're going to join for absolutely free, of course, and you're going to just download apps, watch videos, do some paid surveys, complete offers, play games, and so on. So they offer you a lot of making money opportunities. This platform has been seen on the Crazy Cupid Lady, Yahoo, CNN, the Penny Harder, and the Wall Street Journal. They give away thousands of dollars of free money every day. You just need to join this platform for absolutely free. Start completing those tasks, and then you're going to earn some points that you can, of course, redeem for money and Amazon gift cards as well. You're going to notice that once you sign up, they're also going to give you 103 points. Just create an account for absolutely free by clicking on the join button, and you're going to just put an email address, your first name, last name, a password, and click on create account. I want to mention that for each of these make money ways, you can just click on them to read more information about it and more features. So if you click on watch videos, you're going to just notice that you're going to watch entertaining videos, and these videos includes short films, new ads, app trailers, cooking tutorials, movie reviews, and much more. So you're going to have fun, and you're going to get paid for doing that. And we watch this kind of videos on our daily basis, and this time you're going to get paid for that. Their inventory refreshes daily with over 50 channels of content, so you can never run out of new videos to watch. And of course, you can get paid in PayPal money for doing that. I highly recommend that you give it a try, and of course you can combine all of these platforms that I mentioned today in order for you to make the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching.